Alright guys, we're going to get some bubble tea. Is it bubble tea?
Bubble tea, yeah. It's the Taiwanese, they put tapioca pearls in it and it's called bubble tea.
Yeah. They're probably full of a lot of bubbles, huh?
Yeah, it does. A lot of tapioca pearls.
Okay. Tapioca pearls.
So we're heading downtown Minneapolis.
Yeah. I think is that where this thing will carry me.
As you can see, all the trees have shed their leaves. It's fall. Whatever trees there is. Highways and the streets.
Yeah, a little tour of where we live. And then we're gonna go back home and what are we gonna cook? Puri?
Yeah, some puri curry.
Puri and aloo. We're gonna put in some potatoes inside.
Green mangoes.
Green
and
mango.
maybe some okra.
Yeah.
University of Minneapolis, Rogan.
Yoga.
Oh, look at the U.S. Bank Stadium, how big it is.
Yeah. It's #1 stadium in America.
In America.
They recently built it. I think it's only a year old.
Okay.
Guys, we in Minneapolis, St. Paul, we have 9 stadiums in the city. 9.
And how many lakes you guys have?
We have over 10,000 lakes.
Over 10,000 lakes.
Yeah.
There's a lake everywhere.
All corner.
Left, right, and center.
It's a beautiful city to live.
It's 33 degrees, guys. It's a little brisk over here.
Yeah. It's nice and warm.
33 degrees isn't warm.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto 14th Avenue Southeast.
So that's like a couple more blocks and then left.
Yeah. It's Sunday today. We not too long got up. Going to get some tea. We already had tea home, ginger tea. So we're going to get more tea. We're the tea people.
Well, this tea is a little bit unhealthy because it's, well, you know, it has like sugar and all that stuff in it, but a little bit of sugar.
Turn left onto 14th Avenue Southeast. In 800 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Chapter, that's another one that says bubble tea. So Kung Fu is not a we can cut back the chop time. It's called Kung Fu something.
It's called Kung Fu tea. Yeah, Kung Fu tea. It's right over there.
You saw it?
Yeah.
Your destination is on the left.
This one where them used to there.
No, not this one.
This
here.
one, another one. Okay.
Guys, this is one of the target over here that they had attack also.
Oh, you didn't show it to them.
Yeah.
Maybe you can get out and.
Where's the Kung Fu tea?
It's right here.
You might have to run in and
Okay.
get it.
Oh,
I'll make a U-turn here.
this guy just from the park in. That's an hydrant. But you can't park there for a few minutes.
No. I'll make a U-turn and go back and I'll double park while you go in.
And you can show that target. Is this East Lake Street?
No. This is one of the targets.
Okay, that was that.
Yeah.
George Floyd.
Not this one here. Did some attack, but not too many damages.
Okay, didn't sustain a
Yeah.
lot of damages.
Yeah, this is a target in the corner here, right there. This building.
That was attacked during the George Floyd
Yeah.
stuff here in Minneapolis.
Oh, it's right over there. So I'll wait right here.
I'll go get it. And then if you want anything, it's probably not your thing.
Hold on. Let me park first. And this guy is coming up, so I can probably come in.
This guy over here. Okay guys, there you go. My bubble tea. It's passion fruit green tea from Kung Fu Tea, and here are the bubbles. My favorite. It's tapioca pearls and it's very nice, very tasty, not nice. And you can get it with less sugar. You can tell them put less ice, less sugar, no ice, no sugar, whatever you want, and they'll make it the specification. And it's so good.
I bought it, but I see built.
I talk too much now.
No. Guys, this bubble tea is something you got to chew.
They have bubble in it.
The bubbles, you got to chew the bubbles.
Stir it, okay? You gotta get bubbles, you get?
Oh yeah, I got bubbles.
Now we're gonna start bubbling.
I need to find a gas station.
the Kit Kat Club. It's a Vietnamese kitchen.
Yeah.
And that chat time, they also sell this kind of tea.
Okay.
These types of teas.
Yeah. I don't like it.
You don't?
I like my ginger tea better.
Not everything is made for everyone, right?
Yeah. Look about it, Darna.
We have a cigar place
Mm.
and tobacco. Tobacco.
You want us to go buy some cigars?
No, I'm good. It's a library.
Yeah. See any gas station? Remind me. Yeah.
I didn't make it.
Okay.
Guys, COVID-19 is on the rise here in Minneapolis. The cases are growing more than any other states. So we have to make sure we mask up and, you know, keep it clean, wash your hands and all the other stuff because the cases are increasing here in this state. I don't know about where you're living at, but in Minneapolis or Minnesota, it's increasing. And the whole thing is, if you got your vaccine, I just don't get it. If you're vaccinated, why do you really have to wear your mask? Like, none of this makes any sense. It's like we're a bunch of guinea pigs over here. They're experimenting this vaccine, that vaccine, this drugs on the Americans.
Yeah, they are experimenting.
I
Yes.
feel like a guinea pig over here. Then they have the booster shot. And now you have to get 3 vaccines.
Yeah. You got Jimmy John's.
That's
Your
that's a
favorite. Huh?
German joint.
Oh.
Wurst. They love their wurst. Liverwurst.
Mhm.
Yeah, Jimmy John's was good. Yeah,
Yeah, that's nice.
these people have the
Not
right
bad.
idea. Just run it. Just spread it out.
Yeah.
Keegan's Irish pub.
Yeah, that's a nice pub there too.
Okay. Yeah, the pubs are nice. Irish pubs are nice. There's a lot in New York as well. Manhattan. This reminds me of First Avenue in Manhattan.
Yeah.
Running along the river, but there is no river. Oh yeah, look.
Yeah,
There's
a
a
river
lake.
here. Oh.
So this reminds me of First Avenue in the city. It's a nice bridge.
Yeah.
It's like the BQE. Right?
Type in gas station near me on your phone. Let's see if we can find a gas station here.
I usually go to maps. You have maps.
Hey guys, Minneapolis is beautiful. Beautiful state to live in. Growing up, raising your family.
Babe, like I need another bubble tea or what?
Me barely a bubble tea. Me barely a crumble, man. I'm hungry. You know me always hungry anyway.
Yeah, you barely got bottom body. Right? Right, babe? Oh, this is the government's end. Oh, okay. Bank Plaza building, isn't it over there somewhere? Because I know it's close to this thing here. Oh, that's it.
Quarter mile, turn right onto North 2nd Avenue.
I need to fix this stoplight here.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Check out our YouTube channel, Cooking with Vish and Nalini. Make sure to subscribe, tell your family and friends about us, have them check us out, and finally subscribe to Cooking with Vish and Nalini on YouTube.